In the very near future, we are launching a new program on the FORSAGE platform. And in this video, I will tell you why you need a new program and how can you make the most of this launch. It's about the XGold program on the ETHEREUM blockchain. And this is a triumph for FORSAGE achievements because it turned out that the impossible is possible. The very first code of the FORSAGE smart contract for the ETHEREUM was already unique. It had no analogs before, with two programs, X3 and X4. We prepared the XGold program more than half a year ago, but then it seemed impossible on the ETHEREUM blockchain. Transactions were too complicated and expensive. Therefore, we turned to the Tron blockchain, which offers much faster and cheaper transactions. We have released all three programs on Tron, which together are perfectly balanced. X3 gives the fastest results for the most active partners. X4 can be called medium term, since there are also spillovers and at the same time 100% of income immediately from the second line. XGold, on the other hand, is the most attractive for most beginners because there are the most spillover opportunities here. Everyone can feel like part of a large team in which everyone is developing together. Thus, all programs complement each other. And this is a very important point. Individually, each of these programs could be skewed and would not work as efficiently. In FORSAGE, marketing encouraged only the most active. If FORSAGE marketing encouraged only the most active, the newbies would be afraid to participate. On the other hand, if everyone wait only for spillovers, then no one will develop the team. But if we combine all programs, we get a balanced result. That is why it was important for us to connect XGold, despite the fact that it was very difficult for us. We had a lot of problems launching XGold on Tron, and we spent a lot of time fixing bugs. And it was the hard work on the mistakes that led us to a new solution, and we were able to create XGold smart contract not only on the Tron blockchain, but also on the ETHEREUM, much more popular and stable. During testing, we started to use a new approach and involved an additional development team to audit and optimize the smart contract code. And they were able to ensure that the fees are moderate despite the complexity of the transactions. In addition, we used horizontal scaling of the server architecture, which means that the site's bandwidth grows, so the complexity don't slow us down. It made us faster. Previously, it seemed that this was impossible, but we were able to do it. And now the impossible is possible for us. We have XGold on Ether. We will no longer have errors as the launch on Tron, and commissions are obtained approximately on the average value of an ordinary smart contract. Although this is not an ordinary smart contract at all, but a real revolution of the architecture of the code. And you just have to study the marketing plan. Many have just now realized the benefits of XGold. This is a long-term program designed to bring the whole team together. For those who want to get very fast results from their efforts, there are X3 and X4 programs in which you get 100% payments quickly. XGold opens your cash flow gradually. Only from the second line you get just 20%, from the third 30%, and at first time it may seem that payments are slow, but when your matrix reach the fourth line, then here are already feel a large crypto flow effect. And as a result, you get 1120% of the turnover from one XGold circle. Therefore, I recommend developing all three programs in order to receive both quick payments and that income that at first is hardly noticeable, but then can fall into your wallet in a huge stream. So the XGold smart contract on ETHEREUM is ready and tested. Now it is undergone an additional audit from professionals. We let others double-check us to make sure we have no mistakes. This is a great responsibility for us. On the Tron platform, we have already checked what a surge of interest is causing XGold. And on Ethereum, we have over 1 million participants, and we understand what a huge turnover will begin now. We know that many participants have already prepared their Ethereum wallets to enter many slots at once, so as not to miss out on profits. Prepare your teams and follow the information. Huge growth awaits in the new year.